Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you are going to learn how to write leave application for school from parents. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. 2. The principal. Next, you have to write the name of your school and then the address of your school. In the next line, towards the left hand side corner, you have to mention the date on which you are submitting the application in the format date, month and year. Next comes the subject line. Here, for example, I am writing subject seek leave for my child. Next, we are starting with the body of the application. Here, for example, I am writing Sir, this is to kindly request you to grant my son. Here you have to mention the full name of the student. A student of class. Here you have to write the class in which the student is studying and also mention the section to which the student belongs. Of your school. Leave for. Mention the number of days. Next, you have to mention the reason for which the student is remaining absent. Here, for example, I am writing as he is suffering from food poisoning. He is vomiting since last night. His condition is really bad right now. He has been advised complete rest by the doctor. In the next paragraph, write, I will request you to let him have a leave for. Mention the number of days for which you are writing the application for. He will be there as soon as he is fine. I shall be much obliged. Thanking you. Yours faithfully. Next, write the name of the parent along with his or her signatures.